Hey guys, it's Jen over at worldofjencraft.com, and today I am switching gears over to Chalk Couture. I love this transfer. It is one of my favorites. It's The Mountains Are Calling and I Must Go. So just a little bit of background. When my husband and I got married in September of 2016, we drove out to the Tetons and we rented a four-wheel drive 4x4 thingy. And we drove out, I don't know, probably 20-25 miles out into the middle of absolutely nowhere on this beautiful September day. And we got married by an officiant, and it was just the most magical place to be. We ended up, afterwards, we stayed within the Tetons and Yellowstone for a few days, and we drove out to Glacier Park up in Montana. And ever since then, the mountains have been calling my name to come back to them. So when I saw this transfer come out a few months ago, I just knew that it was one that I had to have and put up on my wall, just because they are calling my name. They call my name every day, and I am so tired of waking up in the middle of Nebraska and not being surrounded by mountains. So anyways, I thought I would do a very quick video on this. All I'm using is the white Chalkology Paste for the whole entire thing. And I'm going to go ahead and I will fast forward through all of it, because it does take a little while to put all the paste on and take it off. And then I will come back to you guys while I reveal the beautifulness underneath of it. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to flip this. Now this is done on a 12x18 surface. This frame is absolutely beautiful. I know I have shown it before, and I will put the size and everything in the comments, or not in the comments, but in the information below this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started. I'm going to, basically I'm just going to glop all of my paste on first, and then I'm going to come back over it and take it off. So I will fast forward through this, and hopefully I will show you a beautiful finished project when I am done. Alright, so as you can see, I put a good majority of that paste right back into my jar. So there's not a lot of waste in this. So I'm going to go ahead and very quickly pull this up, because what you don't want is for your chalk paste to start drying on the transfer before you have a chance to pull it back. Isn't that just so cool when it comes up? Oh my gosh. This, I think, I don't know which is my favorite, applying the paste or pulling this up to see the finished picture underneath. There it is. Isn't that just so cool? Now you can take this and add different colors if you would like. If you wanted to maybe separate it, you could do the mountains in a different color, maybe a brown, and the words in a different color, and you could even do the bear in a different color as well. But I think this looks absolutely gorgeous on this vintage distressed frame. So yeah, this is going to go on my wall down here in my crafting space, and at least I can close my eyes and picture myself back in the Tetons and back in Glacier Park. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a quickie. If you are interested in Chalk Couture products, you can check them out at jen.chalkcouture.com. I will also have some links and information on my website, worldofjencraft.com, if you are interested as well. Thanks again. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will be back with another crafting project. Bye.